All right, Facebook, just got to my third job today. Got the dogs barking. This is one of my good clients out here in the Statham, Winder, Georgia area. I used to also clean their older house, but this is Tony and his wife. What I'm doing for them guys is the two-room hallway minimum. Just got through vacuuming the carpets, two-room hallway minimum for $125, and we're also going to do the pet odor enzyme in the areas as well, so that would take it to a total of $225. So I'm doing the masters, the hallway, and the living room. So that's what I'm doing now. Good clients, they trust me. They're not even here. He said, Courtney, the front door is open. Just let yourself in and take care of the job. And they'll probably pay me over the phone like a lot of my customers do when they're not here. So let me go ahead and get started, guys. Make up a good pre-treatment. Beautiful day. Man, it's a gorgeous day today. And get ready to go after this. Take care of my last client, Miss Sandra, back by the Mall of Georgia area, and that would be it for the day. Wow, guys, look at that. TRU-CLEAN dwelling for about 15 minutes. And just rinse all of it away. And don't forget, too, I'm also using the TRU-rinse. It's a 2.5 pH, so it's a really strong rinse, and it's going to rinse very, very well to make sure there's no residue left behind. As you can see, wow. Woo, man. Wow. So you just want me to just close the door and I leave? Yeah. Okay. All right. Perfect. But yeah, that's Venmo. The total was it was $125 for the cleaning, then $100, so $225. Yes, sir. Well, I appreciate it again, Tony. Yes, sir. All right. Yes, sir. Thank you, Tony. Thank you again. All right, guys. Tony said it looks like magic. Look at that. All right, guys, look at that. Look at that. Wow. I'm telling you guys, man, when you do good work, you got good customer service skills, and people just like you. Today I did a total of 4 jobs. 2 was referrals from next door, and my last 2 are repeat customers. The best way to grow a business: repeats and referrals. All right, guys, job is done. Again, another great job. Thank you again to my repeat clients for continuing to use our services. Greatly appreciate it. Carpets came out amazing. Also, shout out to all the cleaners that's been using and raving about the TRU-CLEAN. I greatly appreciate it. I had a cleaner today from Canada, Yasco, called me and told me how well it cleaned. He was very happy with the results. All right, guys, that's going to do it. One more to go. See you in the next one. All right, guys, time to look at the dirty water. Wow.